Hello folks and welcome. It's finally time to do some testing with my brand new Parkside Performance cordless hammer drill. I'm planning to test it against this Metabo SB18 LTX with 4-pole motor. First, let's compare the weight of the two units. The weight of the Metabo with the battery pack is 2.47 kilograms. Now let's see the weight of the Parkside. 2.52. First, let's test the Metabo. The battery is fully charged. Second is the Parkside. Again, fully charged battery. After the battery refused to charge, this is what I have discovered inside. A blown fuse, this thing over here. Fortunately, it's repairable and I will fix it tomorrow morning. But something you should note: too much load on your brushless Parkside could cause such a failure, so pay attention. Something more to mention is that this BMS board over here is not the original board for this battery pack. This is the board I took from the 2 amps per hour dead battery pack I had. The original BMS board, which I accidentally short-circuited, is this one. And yesterday, when I saw this blown fuse, I really had some doubts that the 4 amps per hour BMS board has a fuse calculated for much higher current. Today, when I take a look at both fuses, I might say that the case is not like that. Both fuses are absolutely identical. That's why I'm planning to remove the healthy fuse from the defective board and place it over here. I'm planning to use some cutting pliers and remove this blown fuse without desoldering the whole BMS, and after that solder the healthy fuse. And this over here is the healthy fuse. Now let's try to remove the blown fuse. It didn't end as planned. I had to put a lot of tin and it really looks ugly, but the battery pack is once again operational. So if you like the video, thumbs up and subscribe. Bye for now, guys.